Hi guys, welcome back to Amara's kitchen. Today is a quick recipe. I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious breakfast smoothie that will keep you satisfied till lunchtime. It's like a hunger control smoothie. Keep watching. So to make this recipe, you don't need a whole lot of ingredients. You just need cucumber. Here I have my frozen cucumber. I bought them fresh and I cut them up and saved them in the freezer. And I have some ginger and also some garlic. You can skip ginger and garlic if you do not want them. If your body do not tolerate them very well, just go ahead and skip it. Everybody's body is different. If your body is okay with it, please add it. If not, skip them. So here I have my lemon juice. I'll go ahead and slice that open and I will squeeze them out using my juice extractor that works very well for me. Use whatever that works well for you as well. So after that, the next step, we'll go ahead and pour in everything together inside the ginger and the garlic and the cucumber that I already have in the blender. Pour in everything inside there. The next, I'll be adding my washed spinach. It's already washed and clean, so I'll go ahead and add that in. And I will also be adding my celery. So I have celery. I love celery. It gives a whole lot of flavor. I love the flavor. It tastes so good. So I'll be adding that in. So the next, I'll be adding some apple cider vinegar as well. So this one, if you're a breastfeeding mom, I will advise you do not add apple cider vinegar because it might affect your breast milk taste. Your baby might not like it. I have tried it before, but that was a long time ago. I don't have any little baby anymore. I don't have any breastfeeding child. So, but I tried it when I was, and it didn't taste good for my baby. So I advise you skip it. It might not go well as well. So for the taste of the apple cider vinegar, I am adding 2 tablespoons of honey just to sweeten this up. If you already know, the apple cider vinegar have this sour taste that I don't like at all. I don't know if you like it. If you do, you might not need honey. But if you don't like the taste, you might have to add some honey to sweeten it up. And I'm adding about 10 ounces of water. You can use cold water, you can use room temperature water, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'll go ahead and blend this up until everything become as smooth as possible. Yes, and make sure you keep blending until it's no longer rough. Make it smooth, just the way it's looking right now. Yeah, so after that, it's time to drink. So I usually take this first thing in the morning. I would say like once I'm hungry around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the morning, depending when I feel hungry, I drink this. And this lasts this will take me from whenever I drink it till like 1 o'clock or 2 p.m. or even more than that sometimes. Yes, this can keep you, this is hunger control juice. It can keep you for a very long time without feeling hungry. I guarantee you that, with the fiber intact. So, but sometimes if you want to strain this, you want to use your strainer to strain this to remove the fiber to make it look like juice, you're free to do that as well. You can do whatever that works for you. You can make it a juice by straining every single fiber out of it. So I'm saving this one for night time. So if I feel very hungry, I eat a little dinner and I'll drink this. I'm ready to go. But if I don't feel hungry that much, I will just drink this alone for dinner and I'll be ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye and subscribe.